Hello dear beautiful people, welcome back to Madam Aproko on YouTube. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. So guys, today's video when I carry on here, my time it all well to again. This matter when I carry on now my page I for do the live video. I beg if you never follow my page, Tessy simple lifestyle, no fear to follow my page. There, I do live video. I talk about story. If you get any story for me, inbox me on my WhatsApp, my number there, my page. Contact me. Share your story. A problem share is a problem half solved. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. So make I let you now watch the video and I beg, drop your comment down below. Drop advice when you get for this our beautiful Nigeria sister when it do kolometa, when something do happen to. When 50,000 euro boyfriend, baby father, don't carry money wrong. I go see you down for my next video. And don't fail to subscribe. I really feel for her, Sha. Person when he come up for Nigeria, come abroad, make she come make her. Come look for greener pasture. Come look for things when go make her they okay. At the end, na kolo, frustration, na one husband, baby father. Na the man come pass or give her. You know today nice Sha. So guys, how this whole matter happen? I better share the video, share around to your friends, your family. Make them come here wait till they happen for inside life. Hey. So read dodgy chapter 2, ave wo, ave seti. Abroad women. We all need to learn. Yes, we need to learn. So guys, let me go straight to the point why I'm here. According to one lady, this very lady, my people, now France, this thing for happen. Yes, France, country when I did, now it for happen. So this very woman, she can't come abroad. Now know when money there abroad that year, yes, but hey, all those women when you use and touch money for abroad, now it should be that year, that time when money they okay for abroad. Not be now we be say hey. Auto like this, money not there. At least I pray me money still day. Well, guys, so she said when she come, she fed a date one guy for Nigeria before she come abroad. As she reach abroad, she comes to the date one Nigeria guy for year again. So when she come they go work, she comes to see one Oibo when he come they assist her. So she and the Oibo come the Nigeria guy when she see that day, and she see get one boyfriend for Nigeria. When she leave, you know, three boyfriends. Guys, things they happen, Sha. And two Nigeria boys, one Oibo, one day Nigeria, one day the city when she dey. Oibo still dey there. So as she come the date, Oibo come the pack money they give her. So her boyfriend when he dey Nigeria, now they waka, they follow juju for her with her mother. The two of them now gather they waka. And I know it that I use her and me like. She not get documents. Police they hot like fire that time. So she now come they run up and down. You understand? They run everywhere. Make them not deport her. So her boyfriend, when he did Nigeria, come they help her with prayer. She want build her. She want do something. The guy was really there with her. Just that she don't fuck up anyway. The guy was okay with her. So she want to settle down. Police still they hot. She don't know what she want to do before they'll come deport her. Now she come reason and say the boy when he did Nigeria, she not get money to carry the boy come. Oyibo, that one did there to marry her. Nigeria boy where two of them ever come they stay for house. That one still did there. So she come confused like what she want to do. She don't know what she want to do. According to her, he said one of her friends come advise her say, you know waiting. That one way in Nigeria, you settle around with small money, make it go. You go marry the one when he there here because now the one way there abroad. Now I no work when you don't fair do. That's why I say you lie to the one way in Nigeria say not be road work as she work, prostitute now she they do. If that one no say you they do road work, they do as she they sell yourself for money, that one feel wrong leave you tomorrow if you carry and come. So guys, now so she can't really take the advice. She can't deal with the one where the two of them gather there for house. You see, she run for devil now be. She can't carry black angel for inside house. So this, as he married this one, she can't bullshit or Igbo say Igbo. She no want. She can't relocate. Come up for a city. She can't come one small village when she did when she for the kilometer so. So when she and the man come there, she can't born one. They can't use until sign put. You know, can't write name put. Now know people when they France. Now know what I use on me. Can't write name put. So as she can't write name put, it never just reach 1 year. Even the paper never reach her hand. She can't get second belly. So the country, she now can't reason and say if she can't go tell government, say not be the man when he signed for the first one. Now he get her. Government feel not can't give her the paper. You can't dey suspicious. So she can't just tell the man, the Ghana man, when he do the first one, make it just do the second one. So it can't be 2 children when she gets. Now that Ghana man she get her for. But no, now her husband, that is boyfriend when they got her day, now I get her. So they can't give the woman 2 children passport. They can't give her documents. So the man now never get now. So she can't still take carry belly again. She can't born. The man, she can't forgive the man. So this man now can't they walk. Before she know, this very man went to up the Ghana day and they misbehave. Every time Kiri go. The man go Paris, go work. They get to Paris, you work belly. The man now, he not call they pick the woman call. And she don't give this man documents. She don't get 3 children for the man. The guests when the man they friend for Paris go, every call they cause the woman for phone. She can't get hypertension. So when the matter come too much, doctor come advise and say, come on, if you continue like this, social go carry your 3 children waka. It's better you focus on your health than to the run follow man. According to her, she go ever come off for her city, come they fight girlfriend with her husband, baby father, because the man not marry her for Paris. So she still say do her, the man can't beat her. Now she can't talk say no. She don't want again, she can't quit. She can't move on her life. After 3 years, now she can't see one angel. Another white angel. So when she see this white angel, according to her, the white angel, now when she see, now through her friend, now she take see that angel. As she take know that her friend, they two of them did the same city. They don't fair work that kind of work together before. So she can explain, say, now only she, now don't want to say, he get one of his cousin. He did Libya. He never cross. Now very nice man. But he know her, yes, but now he not too know her, but he know her before. If the doctor saying they look for Europe woman, he did Libya, but he say no, they come up for Libya, but he want to go back to Nigeria. Not do, because that part for inside, I need to cut her short because the story for there, for me, the woman made big mistake for that part for inside. They thought, okay, she liked the man. It's what they call it talk. She can't send money, take cross this man. When they listening, she doesn't start to spend money again. She can't cross this man, come. As she cross and come, the man can't date Italy. She can't send money, go give this man for Italy, the man can't come. She can't put the man for house. This man get 3 children for Nigeria. She get 3 children for this very man for years. So not do, she can't born first one. She want born, God can't bless her. She can't born twins, which is she don't get 2 children. The marriage was still okay. Oh, everything was fine, darling. The woman was happy. According to her, they can't buy car. They was living fine. The man never get documents. The man they wait for documents. But the problem when she can't get, when she can't born that twins, every time the man family they call her for money. Even the man they call her for money. The family of the man, great grand family, great. Now she can't they pay all their bills. And she now the man put her for grand. Aduro to say they see her for Italy. The man need to leave France. So she not get choice. She have to declare the man. So for people when they did France, for this part for inside, I want to explain that before I continue. If you not get 10 years for France, your documents never reach 5 years, and you be single mother. Once you declare your husband, then they cut your money. Too sweet. They not they waste time. They only they pay you children money before they'll come, and it still they take time before they go check your file. So she now come they fear for that documents, problem, you know, and all those stuff. Not do. She can't give this man document. She sacrificed a lot to give that man that document. She sacrificed to the extent we say, months go rich. She not go ever see money to eat. You know, because they don't cut her money. The man, you know, they work because you don't get paper, you know. Many stuff like that. Things really come messed up. Finally, they give the man documents. The two of them come, they gather money together. Now the man come tell her and say, this time, this woman don't know, say, this man get wife for Nigeria. Some edome. Wasi ni wasona leya mare Ghana. Wasi wani sowo. So now this very lady now come they say, now my husband will go Nigeria, go marry. Since first marriage no work, I not do marriage. I need to do marriage for this one. So the two of them, they come they plan together as husband and wife. The man get 3 children. No problem. The woman don't work out come out. So woman now come they do everything. Because they do everything for them. They come they plan together. One day like that, you get one of the auntie when they call this very man, they demand for money, you know, every time. So now you come ask her and say, this your auntie. You not tell her say you never get work. Say na me they bring money. Say no, na so my auntie be family matter. My people, this lady don't know. She come there inside. She get husband now. The man follow her their house. Now the man come to say, since document don't come, we don't gather small money. You need to borrow money for bank. Since you do the work, your salary, the woman can they do better work, maybe say salary na 1,008. You need to borrow small money for bank. And the money when they save for assurance that for people always still in France, maybe another day I talk about that insurance. I have to save money for your children's future. So since you don't save money for there, the money don't big. Why you not bring and come join me? Make we take do business, go Nigeria. Then I go to do business, they come. I go still they do my work. You go still they work. Before you know, we go blow. We go ever come blow past Dangote, all those people when they get money. Now so they take they invest their money. You just get money. You lock and put for house. You know they use them. Bring and come. Problem. I trust you. Everything they okay. Now this woman enter bank. He carry that money for his children back. He can't still go borrow money for credit at the go. Can't borrow money for bank. They can't put journal. They can't really buy the trailer. They can't go as. When the man go as the first time, their plan was, if you go as the first time, we know never marry. Now when we go come the second time, 2 of us, we go do our traditional marriage, do everything, which is good plan. The woman, the two of them will be get good plan, but nobody can't know what can happen to the man and the woman. You know? Now this man go Nigeria. When this man come to Nigeria, if she come, they call the man not they pick. What it call they happen? The man come the guy they be, don't they job her. Okay, how you said the trailer, the man go tell you say na so trailer not do like this, na so trailer do like this. Now there this woman for inside all the kpokpogri, all the orishi, everything when it happen. I don't want to make the video too long. Now she can't find out say this man get 2 wives for Nigeria. This woman, this very man get 11 children for Nigeria. 11 children, 2 wives, and these 2 wives, they this man family house, in mama house, in papa house for Benin, for them. And this man don't put money for the 2 of the head. The second one, when he put money, this man don't even reach her house. They don't even born twins. Before they go put money for that one head. Why they put money for the second wife head? Since you don't come born for abroad, maybe you don't come marry me. You come marry the one there abroad. This man, this one kalawa na ya careful now. He can't tell that one say me not worry. The one when he there abroad, he go use one play ball. Shewere. Hey, where we go? He go use and play ball. Now you and I go marry. Now that one say can't put money for my head. He can't put money. So when this lady hear the matter, she can't feel sad, you know. She can't dey cry. As she can't dey cry, problem, the hypertension when she get before, she can't dey take tablets, everything can turn upside down. Now she can't say, okay, I don't born for the family. After all, let's see the comment. After all, me, I dey abroad. I don't follow na dey Nigeria. You, this man, go pay my bride price for Nigeria. So that we go know say na 3 wives now you marry. After all, by tradition, man they marry 3 wives. Olivia Benson, good afternoon. Thank you for coming. Thank you. After all, man they marry 3 wives. Oh, Baba, 3 wives. Oh. Man, they married 3 wife. Now this matter and say no, they married 3 wife. You know, get what thing they do. He go marry you, you remember baby mama. But so marry now, your wife when in the house, they go just use juju take kill and throw away. Because now all those one I stand by her when in the Libya. So you know, if you just throw away your wives when you born 11 children for her. So you get what you will do. You will give me time, make I fit a bed there. May they accept you when they are abroad. Huh? After they don't collect the body, so now she can say, okay, no problem. You will get an this man can still come. When the man reach us, okay, where the money for the business, the man say business no go well. Okay, where the we go, you know, say if they do business, and then we go, the main money, you know, the man say market no say. Okay, give money, the man tell her and say, make you not worry. According to her, she said the man can't beg her, the man mama, the man everybody can't beg her and say, you want to come up for this husband house, go another husband house, I beg my daughter. She said she don't get choice. She can't take, I feel like, it don't happen. She don't already get 5 children. Make the young know say, now three of the night they married the man. The man they has. Before you know my people, this man can go rent house for outside. The man can they pack a load, small can they pack, I can't pack all the load, finish come up for the house. When small quarrel just come, now you just come up for the house. You can't go stay in house. Oga, I can't pay money when I borrow for bank. This man say la, you know they pay again. You know. Now the man can't say you born for me. Wait see I get. Now your picking get and your children when you born for me. Now so the whole matter can be. Now, my people. When this woman come to they think, she not today okay, she can't do like person when he head not correct. Government can't carry her 2 children. They can't leave the remaining 3 when be say he never to grow. So those 2 when they carry complain for school, say their mother they cry, they're not they okay with their mother again, their mother they shout for her. You know, many talk like that, they can't carry 2. Me, I pray, may they not come for the remaining 3 later. You know, France don't start to carry 2. Phoebe said they will come back, but I just pray make you not get to that one. So now, wait till this made this woman carry this matter come for me. Get one video when I blog for YouTube. Last time I'm already do that video. So concerning this kind of matter, but that one not spend money. She now they ask, what till she want do? Make she donation this her baby father, put her for prison for years. Now I say, what you want to do? So she can't tell me some kind thing when she will feel use, you know. Make she put her for prison for years. So that the wives when they Nigeria go frustrate, they wait for her. Or make she collect her documents. Fire she wanted deport her back to Nigeria. After when she cross her, you know. Or make she leave the man, make the man they go. Now I say for that one, me I don't know how you want to one. Deport the man go Nigeria. For me, no good now. Put her for prison, you know too good. Leave her make they go. It ain't painful. Like your children money, 50,000 euro, all the money when you gather, and you they pay bank every month. And you now know where the way you they go. Now if people say they will stop you for work, because matter they go, but they'll come they pay you small money based on say you get life contracts for the work. Now they ask me how she want waka. I beg my darling people, una know how she want waka, what she want do. According to her, she say her family say me she took hand put for the man her. And for that money, una know say family when in Nigeria, if they don't hear say you spend money for black boy. Now they go help you drag that money. He say family want make that money come outside, you know. But she don't really know how she want waka. Make I talk about make people advise her how